my name is Jill from TP Blue, and I am proud LGBT member.
Hello everyone, my name is A from TP Blue, and I'm a proud member of LGBTQ community.
Hi, my name is Jerson and they call me Green, and I am from TP Blue and I am a proud member of the LGBTQIA community.
Hi, I'm Oliver. I'm from TPP and I'm proud LGBT.
Hi, my name is Josh. I am from TP Blue and a proud member of LGBTQ community.
Hi, my name is Dinah and I'm part of TP Blue Alabang and I'm proud member of LGBTQ.
Hi, I'm Carl and I'm from TP Blue and proud of being a member of LGBT.
Hi everyone, my name is Novecia Noya, but in this broad, they call me Riri. I am from Chenyang, TP Blue. I am proud member.
Hi guys, my name is Isle. I am from TP Blue and I am a proud member of the Pride community.
For me, the essence of Pride is a celebration of our differences and the understanding of our gender identity and expression. And also it is a fight for the right of the Asian individual or on what we deserve, not just by our gender, but as a person.
Pride, for me, is something that would give inclusivity and equality to everybody. As LGBT member, we always give love, we always give joy, and we always give satisfaction to all people. And that's something that I'd like to also provide to everyone. And that's the meaning of Pride. Love yourself.
For me, the essence of Pride is for inclusivity, celebration of all parts of LGBT, and also for resistance for discrimination and violence.
I don't really have a specific color that's my favorite in the LGBTQ flag because all of them is something that represent myself. I'm a jolly person, I'm a happy person, I bring hope and joy to the people around me. So any color will represent my personal.
Color in LGBT flag is yellow because it represents happiness, and as a member of LGBTQ, we bring love, happiness to other people that surround
Color
us.
in the flag is violet. Kasi ang ibig sabihin po ng violet ay spirit. So alam niyo naman po na yung gender natin is nakaranas po ng abuse, ng judgment and everything. Pero hindi po na wala po yung spirit natin na lumaban para sa equality po na nararapat.
Gender-friendly company. I still remember when I am applying here in TP Alabang. When we are on our NHO interview, our OM explained that the transgender woman or a member of community are allowed to enter to a straight gender female comfort room as long
I feel accepted po here sa TP kasi nakakamdaman ko na hindi naman ako na-discriminate dito. Tapos tanggap ako ng mga workmates ko. And
Kasi po, currently we have a restroom, no, na for all genders and all types of on how we express ourselves. Comfort room pa lang siya, pero it creates a big impact for some of the employees na part ng LGBT community.
TP Blue, I'm a proud gay and a proud.
We are TP Blue and I am proud gay and
We are TP Blue and I'm proud of being bisexual.
We are TP Blue, I am gay and a proud. We are TP Blue, I am proud gay.
We are TP Blue and I am proud bisexual and
I am TP